is a fitting place to start this video. Mr. Iguana right here. There we have him. And this is Yal-Ku. It's like a snorkeling area. That's the overview there. Not many people here right now. It's lovely. So it's in Akumal, which is the Mayan Riviera. Yal-Ku. Just walk in. A little walking tour here. This is the ticket office here. And they give you your mask and snorkel if you want. And there's dressing rooms here. There's showers, there's bathrooms, or banos as they call it. And there's lockers, which we use, which seem fine. I'll just do a little walking tour here. There's a restaurant here, right through here. But we're not going to go there. They have these statues throughout. I'm in flip-flops. They insist you wear a life jacket or some kind of a vest. So that's what the life jackets are. Let's keep walking through here. And I'll give you lovely little paths there. So there's the restaurant again. It seems lots of staff. Seems to be very clean. We'll have a look. Some chairs here when you get out. More sculptures. And this is the park. You can see it's not too many people here. It's where a river cenote meets the ocean. So it's salt water inside. And it's like lots of mangroves. And fair number of fish. Saw a barracuda. We're just going to walk this way. Walking around. I'll show you another vantage point of it. Yeah, go through here. So it's about 1.5 kilometers from Akumal. You could easily walk it. Here's another view. Get a sense of the water. Oh, there's some, you can see there's fish right there. Some people coming in. We'll walk this way a little bit. Here's some laughter. Paths are lovely. And what's over here? I don't exactly know what this is. This is sort of like a lifeguard station. We'll have a look over here. Oh, they have lifeguards here, so you're a bit worried about swimming. This is the place to go. Oh, let's have a look over here. There. There's apparently two entrances. One entrance is fancier, the one I showed you. It has the restaurant, and the other one is sort of the eco entrance. But really quite a lovely spot, eh? Very tropical. Very peaceful here, eh? Oh, there's like a tour going on. Anyhow, I think we'll just end it on that peaceful note. Just end on a fish. Okay? There is fish. Little guys. Oh, here's a bigger fish right there. I don't know if you can see him right there. couple of them. There you have it.